What is up, everybody? If you're looking out how to enable the Samsung keyboard translate feature on your device and you are wondering how to do so in this video, we are going to guide you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into it and get started. Go to your phone's settings for that, open it up, and once you access your phone settings, you may scroll through the given options and basically go to the section for general management and go ahead and tap on it. After you access your general management, you need to look out for the option of your Samsung keyboard settings. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it. After that, that will give you the settings for your keyboard for your device. So what you need to do is basically scroll down and under here, select the option for select third party content to use. So select that option, and once you select it, all you gotta do is basically turn on this option for Google Translation. So tap on this option right here, Google Translation, and go ahead and turn it on. Tap on the toggle option right beside it and tap on agree. And you will be agreeing to the terms and conditions and tap on continue. That way it will open more options when you go ahead and access your keyboard. So let me just show you. You can go ahead and access one of your keyboard like this right here. And when the keyboard appears on your screen, when you go ahead and access your keyboard like this, you can look out for the three dot and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can look out for the option of Google Translation. So if you find that option right there, you can tap on it, or you can tap on this option called Language Translate directly. And there you can just go over and translate the languages available here. And you can type in your message in the input field, and you can choose the language you would like to translate from and translate into. And then you can tap on this translate option right there. After that, once you tap on this translate option right there, it will basically translate the language that you're looking for. And that is it. So that is it, everybody. If you'd also like to go ahead and enable the translate keyboard feature on your Android device, you may follow up these steps. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.